That'll start from a block of steel. As it cuts, you just see like little piece of metal falling off and flying everywhere, and it's just kind of like mesmerizing watching it. You're in a shop, you're making stuff with your bare hands, so everything you make is kind of a sense of pride. When I was a kid, it was kind of like working with my dad on the car, changing tires, oil, stuff like that. In my room playing with Lego, that's probably where it started. I couldn't be sitting at a desk all day, punching numbers, writing reports and emails to people. I'm definitely a hands-on learner, and the college supports that. They realize there's different ways to learn. Here at Georgian, they got great teachers. My teacher, Jürgen, he asked me if I wanted to do CNC machining for Ontario. 1 gold for Ontario. Went to Moncton, 1 gold for Canada. Now I'm going to Worlds in Abu Dhabi to compete for CNC turning. I'm 100% ready for Worlds. Georgian's definitely helped setting me up for success.